everyone. I'm doing a massive giveaway. Code cards of all different kinds of sets. The only way to be entered is first, you have to be subscribed to my channel. You have to like it, and then you have to comment. I will choose 3 people, and I will equally divide these codes in the comments, and then they will get the. In order just to enter, you say count codes, and you are entered. So the rules are: you have to be subscribed to my channel, then you have to comment and like the video, then you are entered to win all half of this with. Okay, the Pokemon Man signing out. Bye.